Utah legend love this place.
Yeah. How could you not?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.